What happens if you eat garlic every day? What if I told you that eating just one clove of garlic daily could boost your heart, brain, skin, and even help fight life-threatening diseases? Stick around. After this, you'll never think of garlic the same way again. Benefits of eating raw garlic and its effects on the body. Garlic is a powerful natural food that has been used for health for thousands of years. When you eat raw garlic daily, it can give many benefits to your body. 1. Boosts immunity. Raw garlic helps make your immune system stronger. It protects you from colds, flu, and infections. 2. Fights bacteria and viruses. Garlic has natural antibacterial and antiviral properties. It kills harmful germs in the body. 3. Lowers blood pressure. Garlic helps control high blood pressure. It makes blood flow better and keeps your heart healthy. 4. Controls cholesterol. Eating raw garlic daily helps reduce bad cholesterol and increases good cholesterol. 5. Good for the heart. Garlic keeps the heart healthy and reduces the risk of heart attacks and strokes. 6. Helps in digestion. Raw garlic helps the stomach work better. It also removes harmful waste from the body. 7. Natural detox. Garlic cleans your blood and liver. It removes toxins and makes your skin clearer. 8. May help in weight loss. Garlic boosts metabolism, which may help burn fat and reduce weight slowly. 9. Prevents cancer in some studies. Some studies show that garlic may reduce the risk of certain cancers, like stomach and colon cancer. 10. Improves skin health. Because garlic fights bacteria, it can help reduce pimples and improve dry skin. Note: raw garlic is strong. If you eat too much, it can cause stomach pain or a bad smell in the mouth. It's best to eat 1 to 2 small cloves daily with water or food. Would you like this in a PDF or want me to make a post or script from it?